Since we say that the sacred site, it's this place where heaven and earth unite, as a human beings we have the ability to create a temple any given moment, any place where we are. And so we can do that just right now by sensing our physical body. And sensing the life, that subtle, not subtle, that vibration that inhabits the body and makes it have the energy to run its biological processes so it can keep what we call life. And then through the power of our consciousness that abides in the heart, which is our core, the essence of our being, we can just gently awaken a little bit more that flaming, what we call a smile. So we smile to the physical body, we sense the physical body, and we extend that smile into what we call the earth, the actual physical earth. With great gratitude, great reverence and great respect, we express our affection to the earth, for feeding us, for giving us shape, for giving us the elements that provide shelter for us, all these things. But in any case, that energy from the earth ascending nourishes the body, enters into the central channel, regulating all the subtle channels of the body, the energy channels, harmonizing them, and just runs through it, through us. In the heart we input more gratitude, more respect, more reverence, and we let that go up through the upper part of the central channel into what we call the heaven, which is basically the dimension of light. Above we have the dimension of light, below we have the dimension of form. From the union of those, we have what we call the dimension of the changes, which is where human beings interact with themselves, with each other. It is the realm, the basic realm of the spiritual master builders. So any act of worship, any act of spirituality can be basically brought to these two fundamental aspects, which are the physical form and consciousness, interacting with each other and generating this third polarity that we call creative energy. So we feel the ascending energy of the earth, we feel the descending energy of the heavens, this nectar of wisdom and healing that removes the darkness of our eyes, so we can perceive our essence, which is the main purpose of any sacred site, is to bring us to the realization of physical, emotional, spiritual well-being and plenitude. And we express our gratitude, our reverence, and we request with our heart the blessings of all the great spiritual master builders, the great saints, the great masters of the awakened heart tradition, so that the mysteries can turn into just simple teachings that are clearly perceived by all of us. and then we can honor life here in this planet. So to all of them we pray, please bless us with your compassion. And then we just take a moment to abide in the holy of the holies, when it's called the Sanctus Sanctorum, which is the foremost central point and inner point of any temple.